Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you how we can record calls on the smartphone. So you have to at the first go for the dialer, then tap on the right upper corner of the three dots, and then simply choose call recordings. Then click allow. Currently I have no recordings because I didn't record any calls, but here we can go for the settings, and here you can change also the settings of the recording. So you can change the quality, the recording quality, call recording quality, the storage location. I have only internal storage. I didn't put the SD card, but here you can change from internal to SD card. The default file name, so actually when you finish the call, it will automatically save as this name, so we can make it like maybe the file call or something like that. You can change it. Here you can also find the recording time limit from 1 to 6 hours. Keep screen on the ring recording, and when you go for the about, here you can find the privacy policy and other stuff. So yeah, that's it. But if you are wondering how it looks, in my private smartphone I have the ASUS ZenFone 7 Pro, and here we can also record calls. So wait a minute, I just want to hide the numbers. And maybe find one of the record call. I mean, like, it will be looks like that. So if you got this feature enabled, when you enter here, you will get the list of the calls. Here we got the date of that, the length, the size of the file, and the exactly hour with the date, and the name of the guy that call you. So of course I'm not going to play any of them because it's private stuff, but I just only want to show you that if you got recorded enable, it will get the list like that. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.